what are the different 5 stages we are at? Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Okay. So in this topic, we are connecting the alteration with the sustainability. Okay. So here we empathize. What are the things we have to analyze and empathize? Yes. So we have to know about the need of the customer. We have to know about the pain points of the customer and what essentially they want. Okay. What they essentially need. That is what we have to add. So here I have given a points like understanding the user and the garment's current limitation. So we have to check whether the fabric is suitable to the customer, the color is suitable to the customer, the texture is suitable to the customer, the design is suitable to the customer. We have to find out. We have to analyze. First of all, we have to ask them to speak what they exactly want, and then we have to give some suggestions. That is your next step. Okay. So here, who is wearing the garment? Whether it's an old person, kids, or otherwise a youth or a teenage girls, who we are going to design a garment. That thing we have to find out. And what their essential needs, whether they are going for a party wear or whether they are going for a casual wear, daily wear. So this is the thing we have to find out. And what is wrong with the existing pattern of garment? So definitely you know, if the customers come to you, what will happen? Exactly, they will come with an existing product with you. Am I correct? When we are designing a blouse to the person, blouse to the customer, what will they do? Some person they will ask you to take the measurement. Some person, I have a blouse with me, but I have some kind of alteration. I need some alteration. So we have to look over the blouse what they are having, and from that we have to correct the blouse. What is the alteration they want exactly? So that is the pinpoint. That is the pain point the customer we have. That is the empathize. Okay. And what's the second thing? It's about define. So once we have analyzed the thing, we have to define. Next thing. So what is the problem behind that existing blouse? What is the problem behind the existing blouse? We have to we have to say to the customer. Okay, we have to define the problem with the customer. Okay. So how will we analyze the existing pattern? Look at its like reduce waste and meet customer needs, use everything. Okay. So that is your define. And the third thing is ideation. So what is the ideation? Yes, solution of the problem. First of all, we have analyzed the pain points of the customer and we have defined the core problem to the customer. This is the problem in your pattern, in your existing pattern. We have defined, and here we are in a stage to give the solution to the customer. Okay, so that is your ideation. So we have to brainstorm the customer. Okay, so these are all the problems behind your alteration, behind your existing product. We have to change everything. So we have to brainstorm. Okay, and can we use modular design? So can we use modular design? We have to ask the questions like this. Okay, and what about multi-size adaptability? We will ask. Okay, if we have a pattern of if we have a product of a S size, sometimes maybe later, 1 or 2 months, the customer will be grow up. What will happen? It will come to the S to M. So in that time we can enlarge the pattern or we can reuse the thing. So multi-size adaptability is a very good concept. We have to ask the customer, shall we go with this kind of a sustainability? Because it is a kind of sustainability. Because once we are using a salwar for a period of time, it will be if our sizes will grow, what will happen? We can't use the salwar. Okay, so once the size adaptability concept is there, then we can use the salwar. We can remove some stitches and we can go with this. Okay. And next is the prototype. You know, the prototype is nothing but we are. What is prototype? We are creating a sample. We are creating a sample based on the ideation, based on the defining. We are creating a sample that is called prototype. And here we are creating some size adaptability pattern. Okay. And using muscle, using digital rockers. Okay. And testing. So fit and function. This is your final stage. Is a fit and function. So once we have created a prototype and give it to the customer, we ask them to wear and work. Okay. And we have to ask them to use how it was, how they use it. Okay. also